How do you grow traffic to your Etsy listings and make more sales? Starting an Etsy shop is one of the best business models out there you can start, especially if you love handmade items, customizable digital downloads, or unique print-on-demand products. But if you're a beginner and just getting started with Etsy, chances are that you don't master the keyword game yet and your products might not rank in search in the first place. So in this video, I will go through a step-by-step tutorial on how you can firstly create products that people want to buy and then learn how to optimize them for SEO so your listings rank in search and you get sales. So first, we want to understand why Etsy SEO is so important. When somebody types in a keyword in the Etsy search bar, the first thing that pops up are ads. But right after that, there come the best sellers, the most purchased items on Etsy, and the listings that are best optimized for SEO, so for search engine optimization, that have the right keywords in their titles, description, and tags. Even if you find this fun or not, it's something that needs to be done if you want to make sales on Etsy. So to help you with that, let me introduce you to eHunt.ai. This is a powerful Etsy SEO and product research tool that will help you find the right products to sell on Etsy and then optimize them for SEO so you have a chance at getting sales even as a beginner shop. So whether you sell handmade jewelry, print-on-demand clothing, digital planners, home decor, art, or whatever it is, eHunt will help you decide on the right products you can sell and optimizing them so you can rank in search and get more traffic and sales. So here's how this tool works. It helps with keyword research, so you can discover high-performing keywords that shoppers are actively searching for. This means you can optimize existing products and attract more traffic to them. Then with product research, you'll be able to see what's trending and what's actually selling on Etsy so you can create products that are in demand. And then competitor analysis. eHunt also gives you insights into what successful Etsy shops are doing so you can learn from their strategies and apply them to your own listing. So how do you use this tool for your Etsy growth? First off, make sure to go to the link below and start your free trial. Log into eHunt.ai and start searching for keywords related to your product or the product that you want to be selling. You'll get data on search volume, competition, and even keyword suggestion. Let's say that you want to sell digital planners. Keywords like printable daily planner or budget tracker for students might pop up. You can add these high-performing keywords to your titles, descriptions, and tags. Then you can use eHunt to analyze product trends. So you can research the most popular products in your niche. For example, if you're in the home decor niche, you might find that boho style wall prints are trending. This insight will help you create products you know people are actively searching for. And then once you have all the right keywords, you can start using them in a naturally written Etsy title for your listing, Etsy description, and tags. For example, instead of calling your product planner or 10-page planner, you can do something like printable daily planner for moms, PDF, weekly organizer, and also include keywords that eHunt recommended. This gives you more chances at showing up in search results, and what you need to look for with this tool is low competition and high search volume. So a good keyword score will tell you that that is a product worth targeting as a beginner shop. So by using eHunt consistently, you will be able to attract more traffic to your shop and generate more sales. Now that you understand how powerful keyword optimization can be for your Etsy listings, let's see what's important to do for your SEO game. First, use all 13 tags that Etsy offers. Make sure you're using keywords that are specific to your product and descriptive. Don't use digital planner to your planner PDF if that's a printable, because people might get confused, and it's important that that product shows up for people that are actively searching for that type of product, so a digital planner only. So with eHunt, you can find long tail keywords like that you can add to your tags instead of just home decor, for example. Next, optimize your titles. So use the main keyword at the beginning of your title and then keep it clear and descriptive, such as custom gold name, personalized jewelry gift for women. Next, write strong descriptions. Don't just say this is the product size, you can order like this, free shipping. Make sure to include a really clear description, long tail description with a lot of keywords that really represent your product and what you want to say about it. And include anything that the client might want to know about it. Size, materials, how it was made, who's it for, different occasions, tell them how to style a product, and so much more. Next, keep your Etsy shop active. Etsy favors active shops, so you need to be posting at least 3 to 5 new products every single week on Etsy, so you have the chance at growing your shop, growing your visibility, and getting more traffic to your store. This also helps your current listings rank higher in search and getting more traffic. And then use high quality photos and create dedicated listing photos for different products that don't have them. So for example, if you sell a necklace, of course add photos of you wearing that necklace and photograph it in different scenarios. But if you're selling a digital planner, don't just add the photo of the digital planner. Instead, create a mock-up with it and add it to an Etsy listing photo with more details about it. So showcase your product in action in the best way possible and let people know what the product is all about in the first photo of the Etsy listing, all in a way that matches your brand identity and style. So as you see, getting traffic to your Etsy shop doesn't have to be complicated. You just need to do a little bit of research before you start creating products, and then do a little bit more research to optimize those listings for SEO. So whether you're a complete beginner or if you're ready to get your store to the next level, eHunt can help you with that. So make sure to check the link below to try it out for your business. If this video was helpful and you found out something new today, make sure to click the like button below and the subscribe button as well to stay in touch and see more videos weekly. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye!